Nagbabalik po ang Let's Talk together with former Congressman Ronald Singson.
Hello again, Derek.
Yeah. Cong, you've been traveling a lot, pabalik-balik din sa Ilocos, Manila. Anong pinagkakabalahan natin?
Boracay, Cebu.
Yeah.
In fact, kaya ako babalik to Manila ngayon because tomorrow I'm flying to Cebu. The Gaisano family, which is close to yung sinasabi kong mga kaibigan kong tumulong sa akin sa Hong Kong, is having a welcome party for me. Parang yung family nila welcome ako sa pagbabalik ko.
Magiging Cebuano ka na?
Hindi naman, pero close kasi tayo dun sa pamilyang yon. And parang it's an honor for me naman na ma-welcome nila ng ganun.
Wow.
So, pagbaya ako ng Cebu tomorrow.
Talking about, sabi mo, Gaisano. So, siyempre, welcome. May posibilidad na dalhin mo ang Gaisano dito sa Ilocos.
So, yun. Ang kakabalaan ko usually ngayon is I'm more focused now on work. Work with the businesses, family businesses, in construction, and yung personal businesses ko rin, which sometimes brings me to Boracay dahil nagtayo tayo ng hotel natin doon.
Yeah. Pero kumusta na yung hotel sa Boracay? Tapos na ba?
Patapos pa lang. It's soft opened now. It's called The District Boracay.
Station 2, right?
It's at Station 2. And in between Station 1 and 2 parang halos 1 na rin siya.
Halos 1 na.
So it's right in the middle of the island and it's a very beautiful project. It's a very beautiful building. And I'm very excited about it.
Kailangan makapasya kami doon.
Invitahan namin kayo kasi we're gonna launch it by October.
Yun, pupunta kami doon. Yeah, sige, punta kami. Let's talk, team. Okay, talking about business, gusto ko munang kumustahin. Kumusta na pala ang Channel V Philippines?
Ang Channel V ay tinigil na muna namin. I've let go of it. Particularly because, I'll be honest, Channel V is a music channel that's geared towards the youth as an audience.
Yes.
And with what happened to me, my experience in Hong Kong, parang hindi yata magandang paghaluin yung nangyari sa akin. Parang hindi ako magandang example para sa youth. So, medyo pinagtabi ko muna yung Channel V. But the Fearless, the production itself, I still went on with it.
Kumusta ang Fearless?
Ang Fearless ngayon, before if you remember, we used to bring in concert artists,
international,
foreign talents. Ang kaso ngayon, sa sobrang dami na nagpapasok ng mga foreign artists, and mamahal ng mga talent fees nila, hit or miss na lang, ang dami nalulugi. So, I want to stay away from that for now. And isa pa, parang nangihinayang ako na invest sa mga foreign talents. Madami naman tayong local artists dito na matutulungan. Kaya ngayon naisipan namin na maggawa ng movie. So we're doing an indie film right now where it's about a barkada film. Magbabarkada sila, may isang bading, may isang virgin, may isang playboy, may isang socialite. Magbabarkada sila. They find out na it's about the Mayan calendar, the end of the world. December 2012, end of the world. So they will find out na mag-end of the world na. So magre-resign sila sa trabaho nila and then gagawin nila lahat ng mga hindi pa nila nagagawa.
Interesting.
So very interesting yan. Yung bading, closet case, ilalabas nila yan. Bading siya, yung virgin, maghahanap siya ng partner niya. So madaming mga magagandang pangyayari to. And ngayon ko palang sasabihin to in public, can you believe we got Peke Galiaga out of retirement to direct for this movie?
Wow!
Yes. And
galing!
They're now currently doing the storyboard or storyline, or the script writing, I should say. And then hopefully we get to shoot by next month. So ganun ang focus ngayon ng Fearless Productions, more on local talents, helping the local entertainment industry.
Yeah, actually kasi medyo mahirap talaga ang especially the movie industry at saka entertainment industry natin dito sa Pilipinas. Thank you so much for that, Cong. At least may uplift na naman. Pati siguro kami, at least makakatulong sa amin yan. Baka may mga spoilage kayo, especially taping. We have our team.
Ang maganda dun sa movie pala na yun, aside from yung maganda yung story, yung characters namin, hindi naman mga mainstream na showbiz people, but experience rin. Pero maganda doon, magka-cameo role lahat ng mga kaibigan kong mga artista. Sa dami ng artista ang kilala ko, ang dami magka-cameo role. Like si Aga Mulak, magka-cameo. Siya yung magsasabi na mag-end of the world na, parang siya yung magpe-predict. Si Heart Evangelista, magka-cameo as a stripper yata.
Okay.
Si Bubbles Paraiso, si Richard Gutierrez and Angel Locsin, magka-cameo rin. So, halos lahat ng mga artista kilala namin magka-cameo.
Masaya.
Maganda ng movie to. Abangan niyo po.
Talking about, Fearless, before, as we all know, kapartner niyo si Jo Marie Iliana. Nakikita pa ba kayo? Kumusta siya? Nakikita ba kayo?
Magkikita kami. We sometimes play basketball together sa Manila.
Okay.
And we're also thinking of producing a movie together. We're trying to revive, or we're trying to make Palibhasa Lalaki the movie.
The movie na siya?
Yes. Featuring the old cast and some new ones. Pero that's still under negotiation pa lang. Kinakausap pa lang namin mga talents. So, yun, nagkakasama pa rin kami. And hindi po totoo yung nangyari, yung chismis na nag-away kami.
Nag-away kayo? Oo nga raw eh.
Hindi naman totoo yun. In fact, dinalo pa nga niya ako sa Hong Kong dati.
Yeah, I heard about that. Pero ito, balik ko muna. You have this project called Operation Smile. Kumusta na to? Active pa ba to?
Yes, ISEM in Ilocano. It's a project that helps people who have cleft palate disease.
Pingot.
And every birthday ko, yan ang ginagawa namin. So ngayon pa lang, pinapa-announce ko na sa radyo, and I might as well announce it here.
Yes.
Kahit kung sino man sa inyo dyan na may kilala or merong disease afflicted with the cleft palate, magpunta lang kayo sa DWRS, palista lang kayo doon, and libre po lahat yan. That's in cooperation with Band of Mercy Philippines. So libre lahat yung mga services. Yung hospitalization, yun ay sagot ko. Yung doctors, libre naman dahil dumating sila. Yung mga gamot, sa akin na lang. And alam ko, pakonti na lang pakonti yung mga nag-register dahil halos na-treat na natin lahat.
Okay.
Ilocos Sur. So sabi ko, maski yung mga tiga-kapit probinsya, mga tiga-Abra, Ilocos Norte, La Union, kung gusto niyo pong magpagamot, libre po dito sa aking Operation Smile.
All you have to do is just punta lang sila sa
register. It makes me feel good kasi dahil it's a life-changing operation para sa kanila. Isipin mo, imbes na lumaki sila na may defect.
Defect, especially sa pananalita.
So, pag bata pa lang, nako-correct na, you really change their lives. So that makes me feel good. That's
great. And of course, it's a blessed thing also kasi malaki talagang tulong yan sa isang bata na paglaki kasi, di ba? Hirap kaya na pag ikaw may gano'n tapos sinutokso ka, lalo pag lumalaki. Now, let's talk about your brother, the incumbent Congressman Ryan Singson. So, how instrumental are you sa kanyang trabaho ngayon as the Congressman of the 1st District? Ang pumalit sa pwesto mo.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate him. Giving credit where it's due, he's done a very good job. You know, I've heard a lot of good things about him. Maganda naman yung mga projects niya, maganda yung pakikitungo niya sa mga tao. Wala akong masabing masama dun sa kanyang pagpapatakbo ng opisina na naiwan ko sa kanya, naipasa ko sa kanya. And pasalamat rin ako sa kanya ngayon na maganda rin yung pakikipagtulungan namin sa isa't isa. So now, instead na siya